Mac 20 questions, quick tip 17, using the blogging software Blogo. One of the first things that you should do when you set up Blogo is to get the Send to Blogo Bookmarklet set up. You can do it when you first get started, or you can do it later if you wish. Let's have a quick look at the Bookmarklet in Safari first. So there you go, Send to Blogo. So if I click on that, whatever's in there will get sent to Blogo. So let's go back to Blogo now and get the Bookmarklet set up. You go to the Help menu and click on Install Bookmarklet. You will see a drop down, and then all you need to do is to drag this to the toolbar in your browser. And once it's in your toolbar, you are set up ready to use it. As you can see, I already have my Bookmarklet set up, and we'll just close that window. So we're just looking at the Graffiti podcast now, and I want to put this into a blog. So send to Blogo, and we'll tell it to insert embedded video. So now that I have my embedded video in there, let's just put a little bit of text in there first of all. So you can see now that the embedded YouTube video is set over onto the left hand side with the text flowing around it. If I want to change that and have it in the center, I just click on this button here. So now we have it centered on the posting. Once you're in the editing window of Blogo, you can do things that you need to do, like turning this text into bold text, for instance. Just click on that. And there's just a little button here that you can click if you want to have a look at your post in HTML format, if you want to do some extra editing in HTML. So let's go back to rich text again. Don't forget to put in a title there for the blog post. And unless you want to do some keywords and categories, when you've done all that, you can click on your post button and it will be sent to your blog. Away it goes. How simple is that? There are other things that you can do with Blogo, such as, for instance, edit some of the posts that are already posted onto the blog. Just choose them from this pop-out area on the right-hand side. If you want to make sure that you've got all the latest posts in that area, just click on the refresh button at the top there. So just do your editing, and when you're ready, click on the update button and away it goes. Another thing that you might want to do is, and here I'm looking at my blog, Answer 20 Questions, is to look at the categories and keywords. Now in this post there is a video that I took from YouTube. This is for the Answer 20 Questions blog, and I want to make sure that it's set in the right category so it goes into the correct RSS feed, and that should be Artist20Q. I can choose a category by clicking on one of these here. It is possible, if you want to choose more than one category, but I'm going to only choose one. Now if you notice, some of these words do not have a hash symbol in front of them. The ones without the hash symbol are keywords. The ones with the hash symbol are categories. So ones like end of time and YouTube, those are keywords. Okay, so keywords without the hashtag and categories with a hashtag. And so that's going to make it so that it will update nicely when you post it to the blog with the correct keywords and categories. Here is another neat trick that Blogo can do, and it will actually allow you to deal with your comments on your blog posts as well. So here's a window that came up when I logged into Blogo, and it has the comments that need to be moderated. With the comments that I can see here, in this case, I'm going to approve the first one. And with the second one here, there's nothing I need to do apart from click on reject. And up pops a little confirmation window that we just have to click on to confirm the deletion of the comment. So there's a few things that you can do with Blogo, and we're going to return to Blogo to see what else we can do with it.